Hi, my name is James Southard, and I've been with United Public Adjusters and Appraisers, Inc. for 6 years at this point. I've watched the company and the team both grow over the years to a well-oiled machine now. We're able to handle many complex residential, commercial claims, everything from deli on the corner to a supermarket to a hotel to a one-family home to a four-family home. We handle every claim in between, whether it's water damage, fire damage, wind, tornadoes, hurricanes, any kind of claim that you have that's covered, we're happy to help you with. A little bit about my background. I got my master's from Hofstra University in accounting. So immediately after that, I went to work in private accounting for about 5 years. So I had some experience there handling financials and general ledgers and journal entries, which has given me a good background for here. And then we do handle a lot of business owner claims. So I'm familiar with accountants and dealing with the negotiations and things like that. So speaking to accountants and CPAs happens very frequently when we handle business owner claims, whether it's reaching out to our client's own accountant or to the insurance company's accountant. And putting together a claim, we have to consider a lot of factors in these business interruption claims. What type of continuing expenses are there? Will the insurance company cover continuing payroll? If they do, is there any exclusions for managers or officers, directors? So every claim is different. There's many phases to the claim. Immediately when the loss happens, the first thing we want to do is get involved as soon as possible. The sooner we're involved, the better, because then we can set the tone with the insurance company. We can get things moving in the correct direction. We want to make sure that we're there to document and evaluate the damages every step of the way, whether it's during mitigation, throughout repairs, once repairs are completed. We're here for you every step of the way. The claim may happen today, but we're still here 1, 2, 3, 4 years later. Something else happens, unfortunately, we're still here to help you. If you have other properties that are damaged, we'll do our best and we can help you that as well. Obviously, we hope that you don't have claims, but if you do, know that you have a trusted resource here at United to help you out with those claims. If you have questions on your policy, whether it's, am I properly covered? How much am I covered for? There are exclusions. If a flood happens tomorrow, am I covered? Reach out to us. We do policy reviews all the time for clients and potential customers. And sometimes people have damages and unfortunately it's not a fit for our company, but we do give advice to people and we want to point them in the right direction. We want to ensure that even if it's something that we can't help you out with officially, we want to give you the knowledge that you know what to do going forward. This way, you're not fighting by yourself. You do have us in your corner.